This is question 26 in the June 2013 non-calculator paper. In question 26, the question reads, Pfizer has 10 coins in a bag, right? And there are 3 £1 coins, 7 50p coins. Pfizer takes, at random, 3 coins from the bag. Work out the probability that she takes out exactly £2.50. Again, with a question like this, if you're familiar with tree diagrams, that's what you should be thinking straight away. And it might be worth actually just doing a bit of a sketch of a tree diagram. It's going to have 3 sets of branches because you're taking 3 picks. But you want to get £2.50. And given that there are only £1 and 50p coins in the bag, you're going to need £2 coins and a 50p. Okay, so that's how you're going to combine it. There's no other way, with different combinations of that or different orders of picking those. So what we're going to do is how we could pick or draw the tree diagrams for this. Basically, you could pick a pound coin or a 50 pence. I'm going to put 50 pence. For your first pick, given that there are 10 coins in the bag, the probability of picking a pound coin is 3 out of 10, and the probability of picking a 50p is 7 out of 10. If I picked a pound coin first, then in the second pick, remember, I could get only a pound or 50p from that. If I picked a pound coin first, that means there's going to be only 2 pound coins left in the bag, and this time I'm not picking from 10 coins, I'm picking from 9. 50p's, there's still 7 50p's. And I didn't say, the branches, if you look at these 3 over 10 and 7 over 10, that adds up to 10 over 10. 2 over 9 and 7 over 9, that adds up to 9 over 9. So in each case, this probabilities on a set of branches does need to add up to 1. If I look at this particular one, if I picked a 50p first, that means I'm going to have 1 less 50p, so I'm going to have 6 50p's in the bag, and there are 9 coins in the bag as well. So this is going to be out of 9 because I've picked 1. If it was a 50p, there'd be 1 less 50p, so it'll be 6 over 9. I'll still have all 3 pound coins, so that'll be 3 over 9. That was looking at the second pick. If I think about the third pick, at this stage, it's going to get complicated. However, what I'm going to do is just focus on the ones that I want. Right now, if I write in all of these, that's a pound, that's 50 pence. Pound, 50 pence. 1 pound, 50 pence. And that's 1 pound, 50 pence. Okay, to get £2.50, see this top branch, pound, 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 that would be 3 quid. Pound, pound, 50. A pound, 50, 50, that's 2 quid. A pound, 50, a pound. That would get me the money that I want, £2.50. I've done those. 50, a pound, a pound. That one there would give me £2.50. 50, a pound, 50, that's 2 quid. 50, 50, a pound, 2 quid. And 50, 50, 50. £1.50. So I have 3 possible ways in which I can get £2.50. If I just look at how I can work out this probability here, if I picked a pound on my first pick, a pound on my second, by the third pick, I'm picking from 8 coins in the bag. How many 50p's are in the bag? If I picked a pound first and a pound second, there's still 7 50p's, so that's going to be 7 over 8. And by logic, if I think about that, this here is going to be 1 over 8. If I think about this particular one here, a pound first, a 50p second, what's the probability of picking a pound here? Well, At the beginning there was £3 coins. I picked one already, then I picked a 50p, so there are only £2 coins left, and I'm picking out of 8 coins. And just to complete this, this is going to be 6 over 8 for 50p's. There's 6 50p's in the bag. Finally, this particular one, 7 over 10, or there's 7 50p coins. Then I pick a pound coin, of which there's still 3 of them, but now there's one less pound coin, which means that it's 2 out of 8, and this one here is going to be 6 over 8 as well. Okay, so working out my probabilities, this particular one, it's going to be following this path, and I'm going to show this quite clearly. 3 over 10 times 2 over 9 times 7 over 8. So 3 over 10 times 2 over 9 times 7 over 8. Then the second path is going to be 3 over 10, 7 over 9 times 2 over 8. 3 over 10 times 7 over 9 times 2 over 8. And finally, this path down here, picking a 50p first, then a pound, then a pound. So 7 over 10, 3 over 9, and 2 over 8. 7 over 10 times 3 over 9 times 2 over 8. And once we work out each of these, we'll need to add them up, and that will give us our overall answer of the probability that she picks or takes exactly £2.50. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 7 is 42, all over, that's 90, times 8 is 9 eighths is 72, so that's 72 times 10, 720. 7 times 3 is 21, times 2 is 42, again over 720. And finally, 7 times 3 is 21, times 2 is 42 over 720. Adding these, because they all have the same denominator, I need to do 42 add 42 add 42. 3 lots of 42 is 120, plus 222 gives you 126 over 720, and that is going to be my final result. My final result is the probability of picking £2.50 from this bag is going to be 126 over 720. I'll write that in the answer space below. But this question is a particularly challenging question. It's worth 4 marks. And again, if you are aiming for top grade, you should be able to do this and get most of the marks in it.